What did you say?
What?
What did you say about your t-shirt?
It's like this, but it's for girls. But it's not for boys.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
I see. Show me. So big.
So big.
I think it's Tita's t-shirt.
This t-shirt. It's more good when you wash it.
Huh?
Why you wash this? Why you wash this? It smells good.
Smell good?
Yeah, I think that's Tita's.
It's not for you. Why did you get it?
No, you get it.
Ah, you get it. You have no t-shirt na kasi all your dress is dirty already.
That's Tita's.
It's okay. She will let you borrow that. You want to borrow my, like this?
No, it's only here make it.
You go borrow my na lang
No!
t-shirt. Why?
I don't want to see mommy make it.
You don't want anybody to see me naked?